Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm really excited to bring you a makeup hack that has to deal with eyelashes. I wear fake eyelashes. Usually I just wear a band. I don't do eyelash extensions or pieces like that. It's a bit more difficult for me, so I just don't vibe with it. I saw a hack recently where you take your eyelash glue, whichever one it is, and you put it on your eyelash like normal, but instead you stick it to your waterline so that it almost makes it look like eyelash extensions. I'm really excited to try this hack because if it really works, this will be the new way that I'm definitely going to be wearing my eyelashes. Let's go ahead and get started. I've already done like my natural-ish makeup that I'm going to be wearing for today. I wanted the main focus to be the lashes. I am just going to start off with mascara and put mascara on so I can coat the lashes so they can blend in a bit more with the Falsies. I'm going to be taking two mascaras. One is Better Than Sex mascara. It's a little sample size, and the other is They're Real, I believe, by Benefit. The reason I take two is so one can go on like kind of chunky and thick, and one can help spread it out to make them look a lot more full. Okay, so this is like a before. Taking my Handy Kiss lash glue, I'm going to be tight lining the waterline on my top lid, and hopefully it'll stay there long enough so that I can actually apply the lash to it. Lashes I'll be taking are also from Kiss right now. They're just on this little packet. Like I said, I'm just going to be taking the lash glue to my waterline, or I'm just gonna look up as much as I can and then just kind of put it on there. Well, so far that's not working out. I'm gonna try it on the other eye to see if maybe my eye will stay drier. You know what? The answer is no. It's not working. It could just be because I'm using the liner, which could or could not be it. I'm not sure. I don't really have lash glue to kind of test the theory, but I am going to test the theory if it'll work with Falscara. If you don't know about Falscara, it is also by the brand Kiss. I have a review. I will link it up above. With this, it is supposed to help make your eyelash pieces stick to your eyelashes. So I'm actually going to try this out, and I'm curious if it'll work with a lash band. It might be easier for me to do it with a lash band than it was with the lash pieces. So if that works, this still might be a contender in my eyes. Let's start with the bond. All we have to do is lightly coat our lashes, then just pop the lashes on. Oh yeah, I feel them sticking already. Ow, I pinched myself. Hey. Then we should seal them before I cry my eyes out. I'm gonna take the seal side. I'm gonna seal them together. Guys, look how seamless that is. Like, because it's your natural lash line on top. Then boom, volume. Let's try the other side. Now I'm really excited. I really wanted to get rid of that. I just couldn't get it. I was not advanced enough to get it. But now that I know that it works with like an entire lash band, that was simple, that was easy, that was fun. And it looks incredibly natural on top, just like the Falsies did. That came with the pack, but now I can put it on as one band instead of several and have them look pretty wonky when I look up. Just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. We're gonna start off with the bond. I really like to get the bond in that inner corner, the teeny weeny little one, because that's what you need if you like bringing your lashes closer to there for the Falsie to stick and adhere to it. Because remember, these are sticking to your actual lashes. Guys, a tip you should definitely do, because the bond is so strong, is to kind of clean off your tweezers if you're using tweezers, because it'll just keep sticking and pulling the false eyelash off, because again, the bond is just so strong, it wants to stick to anything. If you need to fix a little piece like I do on the outer corner, just try and put the bond on your lashes again so that it has something to stick to. Once you have them the way you like, just seal them and you should be good to go. This looks really good. If you guys can see, it looks pretty natural, no band. Same for the other side, very natural looking at no band. These are pretty big on me, and it could be the way that I messed with the mascara in the beginning and then I tried putting lash glue on. All that stuff can be effective towards how the eyelashes look now versus when I would have just put them on fresh and how I had to mess with them. I think this is so good. I found like a way to reuse this with purpose that I find valuable. The eyelashes coming in pieces were a bit too hard, but this is definitely like a way easier method and something that I will be sticking to because I want to look like I have lash extensions too, just in a way that works for me. So right now, I think this is a great hack to do. Could probably get a ton of uses with how much is in this thing. If you guys are kind of interested in doing what I just did, definitely run out and get yourself the Falscara. Let me look up real quick if you can actually get these solo. I did just look it up and you can actually buy this alone. You don't have to buy it in the kit or anything. This alone retails you for about 10 bucks. Do I think it's worth 10 bucks now? Absolutely. Because if you just want to throw on any pair of lashes and have them look like lash extensions by blending them under your eyelashes themselves, this is definitely worth 10 bucks for me. I'm so glad that I could find another way to reuse this thing because I was hoping there would be another way. I'm kind of sad that the hack didn't work with my lash glue liner, but you know what? It probably works even better with this. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is that it actually feels just as light and just as not there as the lash extension pieces that came in the kit itself. When I first bought the Falscara, this feels no different. It feels like nothing's there, easy to wear. So far it's going pretty good. And that is really nice because that just makes me all the more excited. Like I said again, I am just very, very happy with this method. That's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this little tip or this little hack, please smash that thumbs up button. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on your post notifications bell so that you will know when I upload every week. Leave a comment below letting me know if you've tried this method or if you plan on purchasing this baby. I want to know your guys' opinions on this product. I will see you guys next time. Bye! Good morning, guys. So if you can't tell, I slept all night. And I just kind of wanted to see if these eyelashes would stay on all night. And kind of to my surprise, they did. The only thing that I can see wrong with them is like this inner corner kind of came out. So maybe if I had applied it stronger there, it would have stayed the whole time. Other than that, these lashes stayed on like me rolling all night and they feel like they're gonna stay on even longer. This is pretty cool. I just wanted to test all night to see if they'd even stay on, if they were uncomfortable to sleep with, if they'd be super bothersome, you know, just stuff like that. And they actually weren't. So if you want to wake up beautiful one day with a set full of lashes, this is the way to do it. Yeah, there's not much more to say. I'm gonna take them off now since I wore them all night. The wear on them is pretty amazing if they can stay on all night and nothing really happened. Like I said, sometimes the inner corner is just hard to get because your baby eyelashes don't coat very well, but if you make sure to get that and make sure to stick it on really well, they should last for a while.